everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Bellz and I'm going to be showing you how to make rice water. The first thing that you'll need is a cup of rice. You can use any ratio, rice to water ratio if you want, but I use 1 cup. The next thing that you'll need is a container with an airtight lid, and of course a strainer, because you're going to be washing this rice. I washed my rice in the strainer and just let the water run over it. I did this for about 2 minutes. I shortened the video. But just make sure you wash your rice. Yes. So after I shook off the water, I put the washed rice into the jar. And you can see how it looks there. That's 1 cup of rice. And then I added 2.5 cups of water. And it basically filled up the jar to the top. A lot of people don't like the scent. It doesn't really bother me, but you can still add an essential oil like peppermint oil, rosemary oil, something that you like the scent of. Or an orange peel like I did. Yes. And this is how it should look. It should look like this when you're done. If it doesn't look like this, I don't know what to tell you. The next step would be to let it sit for 24 hours or more for the fermenting process. Yes. So as you can see, 24 hours later, the rice has swelled a lot. It kind of soaked up all the water. Yes, so to stop the fermenting process, you can simply refrigerate it. Before you refrigerate it, make sure you strain the water out of the rice so that you can use it. I just strained it and I put it right back into the jar that it was in with the lid, with the airtight lid. And this is how it looked. This is the finished product, my first rice water. I'm happy about it. I can't wait to see the results. I used a spray bottle to distribute it all over my hair. I made sure I got my scalp, my roots, my ends. Y'all know my ends are a little raggedy now. They're just a little raggedy. They need help. So I comb through, make sure I get it all nice and detangled. It actually detangled pretty quickly compared to other times. Yes, so I made sure I got my edges, and this is how it looked. My completely natural hair felt awesome. It felt really good. But my processed hair, yucky. As you can see in the picture, yucky. It was like terrible. I guess because of the difference, the natural hair was so soft. The processed hair felt like why? Who damaged me? Yeah, but this is my hair after I put leave-in conditioner on it. It's only leave-in conditioner. Yeah, I didn't go too crazy with the product today, but I am going to style my hair and be ready to go. Thank you guys for the support and the love. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the bell so that you can get notified as to when I'm posting a new video, and for the update on the rice water. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye-bye.